Scenario is titled Network Outage Investigation at a Logistics Company. A logistics company relies on a real-time tracking system to monitor deliveries and optimize routes. One afternoon, the tracking system becomes completely unavailable, preventing dispatchers from updating shipment statuses. The IT team quickly investigates and finds that a network failure at the data center caused the outage. They restore service by rerouting traffic through a backup connection. After resolving the issue, the team conducts a root cause analysis and identifies that an aging network switch failed due to overheating. To prevent recurrence, they replace outdated hardware and implement proactive network monitoring. Now, based on that scenario, we're going to have 3 questions. We'll go over the questions first, then we'll look at the answers and some explanations. Question 1. Which ITIL practice is responsible for investigating the root cause of the network outage and preventing future failures? Is it A, incident management, B, change enablement, C, problem management, or D, the service desk? Question 2. The IT team decides to replace outdated network hardware and introduce proactive monitoring. This action aligns with which service value chain activity? Question 3. Which of the following statements about ITIL service management is correct? Is it that service request management is responsible for ensuring that major incidents are resolved as quickly as possible? Is it that the organizations and people dimension of ITIL focuses on managing IT hardware, infrastructure, and system configurations? Is it that change enablement ensures that all IT changes are assessed, approved, and implemented with minimal risk to services? Or is it the delivery and support activity in the service value chain ensures that IT services are designed to meet business needs before they are deployed? Now, if you want more time to look over these questions and think of your answers, you should pause the video here, because we're going to look at what the answers are. First, let's refresh our memory of what question 1 was about. Which ITIL practice is responsible for investigating root causes? As of course, problem management. Problem management is responsible for identifying and eliminating the root cause of incidents to prevent recurrence. Since the IT team analyzed the network outage and replaced aging hardware to avoid future failures, this aligns with problem management. The incorrect answers here were incident management, change enablement, and the service desk. Incident management focuses on restoring service as quickly as possible, but it does not investigate root causes or implement preventive measures. Change enablement ensures that planned IT changes are assessed and approved, but this scenario is about identifying the cause of a failure rather than planning a change. And the service desk handles user support requests, does not perform root cause analysis or system upgrades. Now let's refresh our memory on question 2. It was which service value chain activity is aligned when the IT team decides to replace the outdated network hardware, as obviously improve. The improved activity in the service value chain ensures that IT services are continually enhanced and optimized. Since the IT team replaced outdated network hardware and introduced monitoring to prevent future failures, this aligns with continuous improvement. The incorrect answers here were deliver and support, engage, and obtain/build. Deliver and support ensures that IT services function properly and users receive support. But this scenario is about long-term improvements rather than day-to-day operations. Now, engage focuses on gathering requirements and feedback from stakeholders, but this scenario is about proactive system improvements rather than engagement activities. And obtain build involves acquiring or developing new service components. But this case is about optimizing existing infrastructure rather than introducing a completely new system. And finally, question 3, this was the one we had to pick the correct statement. And the correct statement was that change enablement ensures that all IT changes are assessed, approved, and implemented with minimal risk to services. This process prevents disruptions caused by unplanned or poorly managed changes. Service request management handles routine user requests, for example, password resets or software installations. It does not handle major incident resolution. This falls under incident management. The organizations and people dimension of ITIL focuses on roles, responsibilities, culture, and skill development, not hardware, infrastructure, or configurations. These belong to the information and technology dimension. And finally, the deliver and support activity in the service value chain focuses on operating and maintaining IT services, but designing services before deployment falls under design and transition.